Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the phone has battery and you know the current PIN or biometric. This prevents being locked out mid-change. Once ready, unlock the device and open settings, then tap security or lock screen to reach lock options. You do this now because accessing the correct menu is required to change or remove locks. Make sure to note any linked accounts that might require re-authentication. Proceed when you see the screen labeled Screen Lock or similar. Now you choose how to remove the lock. Tap Screen Lock and select None or swipe to disable security. If none is not allowed, pick a simpler lock type. You must authenticate with your current PIN, password, or fingerprint to confirm the change, because the system prevents unauthorized removal. Once authenticated, follow on-screen prompts to save the new setting. Make sure to read any warnings about data or account protections before finalizing the selection. To finish, restart the phone so the system applies the new lock state and verify you can access the home screen without entering the old credential. If the option is grayed out, check Find My Device, Device Protection, or Corporate Management profiles that block removal. You may need to disable those services or sign out of the linked account first. If things go wrong, re-enable a temporary PIN or biometric and consult account recovery. Prompts to regain access safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.